Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and today I'm going to be doing my August update for the Partners in Cream project pan. This is a project that was created by Steph Lyons and DaLin here on YouTube. I will, as always, have them linked down below because if you have not yet discovered them, what are you waiting for? They are awesome. They are awesome. So make sure to check them out. But this project was created to target specifically the cream and liquid products within our collections because those tend to get neglected, but they also tend to expire much more quickly. So this is a rolling style project with monthly updates on the 10th of the month. So if you think that this might be a fun project, go ahead and jump in on with us. There's still plenty of time left in the year. So let's go ahead and jump into my update. We'll start with my least exciting products and then move up to the more exciting ones. So let's go ahead and start with this right here. This is a metallic eye shift liquid eyeshadow from Smith & Colt. It is in the shade Iris. It's beautiful, but I only used it once since our last update. If you remember, in our last update, I amended my goal from 25 uses down to 10. So that gives me a total of 5 uses thus far, and I have another 5 yet to go on this. It's a stunning, stunning product. I really do love it. Let me see if I can give you guys a good swatch. I mean, it's just so stinking pretty. It is so pretty. So definitely excited to have this around a little bit longer, and that is where we are there. The next one that I have is this right here. This is from Tarte. This is one of the chrome paints in the shade Froze. I'll go ahead and give you a nice little swatchy swatch of that too. I mean, look at how pretty that is. This has been so much fun to use. It is such an easy sort of shade to put on if I have to be getting ready rather quickly, or if I'm just looking for something that is got some real pizzazz to it, but not super dramatic and punchy. This is the way to go. I mean, it's this beautiful pink that has a gorgeous gold shift to it. Absolutely outstanding. I really do enjoy it. I do have a goal of using that 25 times in this project. Since our last update, I have used it 3 times for a total of 7. I have some work to do for sure, but it is a project as I've said, that I really enjoy. So I'm happy to continue working on it. The next item that I am working on is this right here. This is from Maybelline. This is the Instant Age Rewind concealer, and I have made, I think, a pretty good jump. I don't remember if I forgot to mark it last month or not, because I feel like that's a pretty good jump. That's a lot of product used. I have used it a total of 20 times since our last update. So this may very well be the progress that we've made. I'll have to go back and take a look. But my goal is to finish it up by the end of this project, and I do think that that is definitely still a goal within reason. The next item that we're going to talk about is this right here. This is from IT Cosmetics. This is the Brow Power Eyebrow Pencil. And you guys know I am trying to use this up, and look at that teeny tiny little nubby nub that is left. Can I get this done by next month? Can I? I don't know. I've actually used this 32 times since our last update. I think just because of when I film versus when the video goes up, but that is where we are there, and I am so stinking excited. I don't know if I can use it up, but I'm really hoping that I can, just based on kind of the little progress lines. I really think it's possible. I do. So super excited. I don't know what that face was. Anyway, okay, moving right along. So I do have 2 items that are going to be rolling out of this project, and the first one is this one right here. This is from Nabla Cosmetics. This is one of their full color stylos. I wanted to use this 25 times. I have actually surpassed that. I've used it 9 times since our last update, and I only needed 6, so very excited about that. Give you a nice little swatch of it because, you know, we're swatching everything else. I am wearing it today. It's this beautiful berry sort of shade. I really enjoy this product a lot. It is really good at staying in the waterline. Once it's set, it's good to go, and I really do enjoy it a lot. So very excited to have hit my goal there and to be rolling something in its place. The other item that is rolling out is this right here. This is from Becca. This is the First Light Priming Filter. It was my goal to use it up entirely, and I have done that. I didn't cut it open because honestly, this is a more liquidy formula, and I'm pretty confident I got all of it out that is in there for the most part. I also have a few other of these sort of slightly larger sample sizes in my collection, so cutting it open for one last usage didn't really seem to make sense. And I just don't think that there's anything left in there. So very excited to have a primer used up and out of my collection. So that is super exciting. So as I said, that means we've got 2 new products that are coming in this month. And I'm not gonna lie, I struggled to figure out what I wanted to bring in their place, because you guys, it's finally happened. The scales have tipped, and I am in over my head with panning projects. Like, I've gone too far, and I'm kind of bummed because I love project panning and I love jumping into these projects, but it's gotten to the point where I'm panning too many things from each category, and I'm just feeling incredibly overwhelmed and feeling like I need to make some changes in the coming year. So stay tuned on that. I'm still thinking it through, but enough of that rambling. Let's talk about the 2 items that I'm bringing in its place. So to replace the Becca primer, I'm bringing in another sample size primer. This is from number 7. This is their Airbrush Away primer, and I would like to get it used up entirely. It is brand spanking new. Still has the foil over the opening, so we got a little ways to go. I don't know how much air is in here, but I can definitely feel that there is an air bubble. So it would be great if there was only 30 days worth of product in here, because that would be nice to get another sample out of my collection. The other item that I am going to be rolling in is from First Aid Beauty. This is their Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Cream. So it's an eye cream. Technically not makeup. I hope that you will forgive me. But I really enjoy this. It has this beautiful sort of shimmery, peachy tone to it. And I would love to use this up entirely. There is a heap of product in here. So I don't know if that's going to be possible, but it is going to be my stretch goal to get this used up in the 4 remaining months of the year. Well, there we have it. That's everything that I have been working on in this project. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And as I said, please go ahead and check out both Steph Lyons and DaLin. They are absolutely lovely, lovely creators. As always, everything that I am panning and everything that I am wearing will be linked in the description box below. And if you have not yet subscribed, I hope that you will consider doing so. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope that you are having an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye.